In this tutorial, you'll learn how to block calls to specific destination types for a customer route in ConnexCS. This feature helps you control where customers can place calls by restricting selected destination categories such as VoIP, mobile, premium, and more. Let's see how to configure it. Navigate to the ConnexCS control panel. From the left menu, go to Management. Click on Customer. Now, select the customer you want to apply this setting to. Next, go to Routing. Choose the route you want to apply this setting to. Go to the Security and Control field. You will see the Block Destination Type field. Click on it. You will see the available destinations you can block. For example, if you want to block calls to VoIP destination, you can choose VoIP. If the customer dials a call to VoIP destination, the call will be blocked. Click on Save. That's it. You've successfully configured destination-based call blocking for a customer route. Any calls made to the selected destination type will now be blocked according to your settings. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more ConnexCS tutorials.